Dear students, welcome to all. In our previous sessions, we discussed about position of the point, power of a point, length of the tangent drawn from a point. Position of a point means if the point is inside of the circle, S11 is less than 0 is the condition. If the point P is on the circle, S11 is equal to 0. If the point is external of the circle, S11 is greater than 0. Here we remember when we say the point P is on the circle, what is the condition? The condition is S11 is equal to 0. What is S11? x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c, that is S11. If that equal to 0, then we say that the given point is on the circle. Okay. Now today we use that condition. Today we discussed about 7 marks problem in IPE. In IPE, this problem is 18th question. This is very important in our IPE question paper. In IPE question paper, this is 18th question. Very important. What is that? Find the equation circle passing through the points 1, 2, 3, minus 4, 5, 6. That means we find a circle. That the circle passes through given 3 points. That means the 3 points are on the circle like this. Suppose this is a circle. We can find this circle. This circle passes through 3 points. This is the point 1. This is another point. This is another point. We find the equation circle passes through these 3 points. That means the points are on the circle. We know the condition. If the point is on the circle, S11 is equal to 0. For this problem, there are 5 methods. Here we discuss the first method. This is the first method. For that method, first we let the required equation of the circle be S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, which is the general form of the circle. This is our required circle. What we find? We let that circle be S is equal to 0. Now we using the given conditions. What is the first condition? The circle is passes through the point 1, 2. So since the circle is passes through the point 1, 2, you know the condition. What is the condition? S11 is equal to 0. S11 means x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c, that is S11. That must be equal to 0 because the given condition is the point is on the circle. So we put the x1 y1 on the given circle. That is here what is x1 y1? x1 is 1, y1 is 2. So substitute the point 1, 2, that is the coordinates of x and y in our circle. So put 1 in the place of x, 2 in the place of y. That is 1 square plus 2 square plus 2g into 1 plus 2f into 2 plus c is equal to 0. So 2g plus 4f plus c is equal to 4 plus 1, 5. Bring to right side, that is minus 5. Let it be 1. Like this we have an equation in terms of GFC for the first point. Remaining for second and third points also we have the equations in terms of G and F. Let the equations be 2 and 3. This is the second equation. This is the third equation. That means we have 3 equations 1, 2, 3 in terms of GFC. Here there are three unknowns G, F, C. We have three equations. Three unknowns, three equations. We solve these three equations by using the subtraction addition of solving of the problems. We find the values of G, F, C. For that, first take 2 minus 1. That means subtract the first equation from second equation. In second equation 6g minus 2g is 4g. Minus 8f, minus 4f, minus 12f. Okay. C cancel. Plus c, minus c are eliminate. Minus 25, minus plus 5. Minus 25 plus 5. That is equal to minus 20. That is, we have an equation in terms of GF. That is 4g minus 12f is equal to minus 20. That is the fourth equation. Okay. Now take 2 and 3. For 2 and 3, subtract 2 from 3. That 3 minus 2m plus. In third equation 10g minus 6g. 10g minus 6g is 4g. Minus 12f minus plus 8f. That is minus 4f. Minus 61 minus plus 25. Minus 61 plus 25 is minus 36. Like that we have another equation in terms of GF. Like that we have another equation in terms of GF. So we have equation 4 and 5 are in terms of G and F. Now there are two equations, two unknowns. By using 4 and 5, we eliminating either G or F from 4 and 5. Here there are 4G, 4G. So subtract 5 from 4. That is 4 minus 5. Now 4G minus 4G cancel. Minus 4F plus 12F. That is plus 8F is equal to minus 36 plus 20 minus 60. Minus 16. So 8F is equal to minus 16. So we have F is equal to minus 2. Like that we find the value of F. Okay. Now put the value of F in either in 4 or 5. Whatever it will be, substitute in either 4 or 5. If substitute F is equal to minus 2 in 5, we have, this is the, in what is the fifth equation? 4g minus 4f is equal to minus 36. So 4g minus 4 into, already find the value of f is equal to minus 2. So minus 4 into minus 2 is equal to minus 36. So 4g minus 4 into minus 2 plus 8. Plus 8 bring that plus 8 to right side. So 4g is equal to minus 36 minus 8. That is equal to minus 44. 4g is equal to minus 44. So g is equal to minus 11. So we have another value g, that is equal to minus 11. Substitute the values of f and g either in 1 or 2 or 3 to find the value of c. Okay, because the three equations are in terms of g, f, c. So substitute the value of f is equal to minus 2, g is equal to minus 1, either 1 or 2 or 3. Substitute 1. In 1, what is the first equation? 2g plus 4, minus 4f plus c is equal to minus 5. So substitute that g is equal to minus 11, f is equal to minus 2 in that first equation. So 2 into, here g is minus 11 plus 4 into f is minus 2 plus c is equal to minus 5. From that we have c is equal to 25. Like that we find the values of g is equal to minus 11, f is equal to minus 2, c is equal to 25. Already we let that required circle be s is equal to x square plus y square plus 2x plus f plus c is equal to 0. Substitute these three values in that equation s. So substitute the values g is equal to minus 11, f is equal to minus 2, c is equal to 25 in s is equal to 0. So s is equal to x square plus y square plus 2g is minus 11 x plus 2f is minus 2 y plus c is 25. So x square plus y square minus 22x minus 4y plus 25 is equal to 0 is the our required circle. This is one method. Very important. You must practice so many times. This is very important for 7 marks in our IPE. Okay. So briefly what we done, first we let the given required circle is s is equal to 0. Substitute the given 3 points on the s is equal to 0. We have 3 equations in terms of G, F, C. From 1 to eliminate C. From 2, 3 eliminate C. We have 2 equations in terms of G and F. Eliminate from these 2 equations G or F. We have one value either G or F. Substitute that value in the given two equation terms of GF. We have another value. Substitute these values G and F in either 1 or 2 or 3. So we have the value of C. Substitute the three values. The three values in the equation S is equal to 0. We have our required circle. This is very important to 7 marks. Okay, this is one method. There is another method also. This is also very important. What is this? You know, if the circle passes through 3 points, suppose roughly draw a diagram. Suppose this is a circle passes through 3 points. Suppose this is a point A, this is a point B, this is a point C. Roughly draw the 3 points, the triangle by using these 3 points. This is the triangle, rough diagram. That means this circle passes through the vertices of the triangle. This triangle is called a circumcircle. This triangle is called a circumcircle. Center of this circle is circumcenter. What are the distances from the center to the vertices? These are nothing but radius. Suppose this is equal to A, this is equal to B, this is equal to C. Now suppose if the center has S, the distance from S to A is the circumradius. The distance from S to B is the circumradius. The distance from S to C is the circumradius. These are all equal. That means the SA, SB, SC both are equal. Why? These are the circumradius. Therefore, by using this condition, we find the equation of the circle as first we find the center of the circumcircle and radius of the circumcircle. For that, we let the second method by using circumcircle. Circumcircle means the circle passing through the 3 vertices of a triangle is called the circumcircle. For that circumcircle, let SHK be the center of the circumcircle, which are passes through the given 3 points. That means, suppose our center of the circumcircle means which is passes through the given 3 points. We let that center be as SXY. Okay. Now we have SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. That is the circumradius. Now first we take the SA is equal to SB. Squaring on both sides. SA square is equal to SB square. This implies SA square means square of the distance between S and A. S is XY. We let the given points be A 1 2, B 3 minus 4, C 5 minus 6. We let the given points be as A, B, C. Now the distance between S and A. You know the distance between S and A is the square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here we find SA square. So eliminate that root. X minus x1 is 1. So x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to SB square. That is square of distance between S and B. So here S is xy, B 3 minus 4. So x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4, that is y plus 4 whole square. Now x minus 1 whole square means a minus b whole square, that is x square minus 2x plus 1. Y minus 2 whole square, this is also a minus b whole square, y square minus 4y plus 4 is equal to again x minus 3 whole square. X square minus 2ab means 6x plus b square means 3 square is 9, y plus 4 whole square. This is a plus b whole square. A square is y square, 2ab, 2 into 4 into y, 8y, b square, 4 square is 16. Okay. So x square eliminate, y square eliminate, bring the values of terms of x and y to left side. Minus 6x is plus 6x minus 2x, that is 4x. Similarly, plus 8y to left side, minus 8y minus 4y minus 12y. Take away the constant values 1, 4, 5 to right side, that is minus 5. Here 16 plus 9, 25 minus 5, 20. Let it be 1. This is in terms of x comma y. This is the equation. 4x minus 2y is equal to 20. Okay. In the same way, here SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. Take SB is equal to SC here. Squaring on both sides. That means the square between S and B, that is SB square, is equal to SA square means the distance between S and C, and take square. So we eliminate square root. We have another equation in terms of xy, that is 4x minus 4y is equal to 36. Let it be 2. Now we have two equations in terms of x and y. From these two equations we solve to find the values of x and y. Solve 1, 2. For that, subtract 1 from 2, that is 2 minus 1. From 2 minus 1 means 4x cancel, minus 4y plus 12y, that is 8y, plus 36 minus 20, that is equal to 16. So y is equal to 2. So we have the value of y, that is equal to 2. Put the value of y in either 1 or 2. Substitute in 1. 4x means 4x minus 12 into y is what? Already find the value of y. Y is equal to. So 4x minus 12 into 2 is equal to 20. That is 4x is equal to 44. X is equal to 11. So like that we find the values of x and y. But here we let what is x, sxy? Sxy is the circumcenter of the circle. So center Sxy is equal to x is 11, y is equal to. Like that we have the center 11, 2. So to find the equation circle, you must know two values. First one is center and second one is radius. So here already we find the center. Now we find the radius. What is the radius? SA or SB or SC. Anyone is the radius. Both are equal. So to find the radius, it is enough we find SA or SB or SC. That is the distance between S and A, or the distance between S and B, or the distance between S and C. So here we find the radius SA, distance between S and A. So the distance between S and A is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here the x1 y1 is 11 2, x2 y2 is 1 2. So square root of 11 minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 2 whole square is equal to 2 minus 2 0. 11 minus 1 whole square is 10 square, 100, square root of 100 is 10. Like that we find the radius as 10. Here we find the center, here we find the radius. If you know the center and radius, you know the equation circle in our part 1. So equation circle with the center 11 2, that let it be hk, and radius r is equal to 10. What is the equation formula? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Here hk is the center 11 2 and r is the radius 10. So substitute x minus h is 11, x minus 11 whole square plus y minus k is what is k? 2. 2 whole square is equal to r is 10 square. So a minus b whole square, x square minus 22x plus 11 square is 121 plus this is also a manageable square, I square minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 10 square is 100. So x square plus y square minus 22x minus 4y 121 plus 4 125, bring the 100 to left side, 125 minus 100 is 25. This is another method. In first method also we have the value as x square plus y square minus 22x minus 4y plus 25 is equal to 0 as the equation circle. In the second method also we have the equation as x square plus y square plus 22x plus 4y minus 4y plus 25 is equal to 0. Okay. In the two methods our circle is same, x square plus y square minus 22x minus 4y plus 25 is equal to 0. You use any method, method 1 or method 2. Generally the method 2 is some more easy than the method 1. Use either method 1 or method 2. Any method we have full marks. Okay. There is another method, method 3. I think this is easy, but we find the 4 determinants. You know the determinant mathematics, maths. So by using the determinants, we find the third method. Third, I explain only. In third method, let the given points be x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Let be the given points as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. First we find the first determinant, that is determinant. This is the determinant. You find this determinant. A determinant x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. This is the first point 1, second point 1, third point 1. Put here. First of all, you find C1, C2, C3. What is meant by C1? Here C1 is nothing but minus of x1 square plus y1 square. Squaring of the coordinates of the first points and add, put minus, change the sign. That is C1. Similarly, C2 is minus of x2 square plus y2 square. C3 is minus of x3 square plus y3 square. First you find these three values C1, C2, C3. So eliminate the first column of this, in this determinant, eliminate the first column x1, y, x2, x3. Substitute the first column with the C1, C2, C3. We find the second determinant. This is the second determinant. C1, y1, 1, C2, y2, 1, C3, y3, 1. Okay. Next, the third determinant. In this first determinant, eliminate the second column with C1, C2, C3. So the first column as it is x1, x2, x3. Second column is C1, C2, C3. Third column is same 1, 1, 1. We find that determinant. The fourth determinant. In the first determinant, eliminate the third column by using C1, C2, C3. We find this determinant x1, y1, C1, x2, y2, C2, x3, y3, C3. If we find the four determinants like this, this is the formula. First determinant into x square plus y square plus second determinant into x plus third determinant into y plus fourth determinant is equal to 0 is the equation of our required circle. But this method only applicable when the first determinant is not equals to 0. If the first determinant is not equal to 0, this method is used. If the first determinant is equal to 0, this is not validity. This is not having any validity for this method. Already you find two methods for this problem. For these points, the first determinant is 0. So don't use this method for this above problem, because the first determinant is 0 for the above problem. This method is only applicable if the first determinant is not equal to 0. Okay. You try another problem by using this method. Okay. Now, what is meant by concyclic? Concyclic means this is the definition. Points that lie on the same circle are said to be concyclic. Points that lie on the same circle are said to be concyclic. If the points 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 points lie on the same circle. That means here this observe the first example. This is the first example. Here the 4 points are lie on the same circle. So these 4 points are called concyclic. In the second example, the 4 points are does not lie on the circle. 3 points lie on the circle, but the fourth point is not on the circle. So it does not say these 4 points are concyclic. Okay. By using this concept, we find very important problem. This is also very important in IPE 7 marks. Show that the points a 1 2 3 minus 4 5 minus 6 19 8 are concyclic and find the equation circle on which they lie. First we show that the 4 points are concyclic. To show 4 points are concyclic, first we find the equation circle passing through first 3 points. 3 points, so the first we find the circle which is passes through 3 points, any 3 points, not first 3 points, any 3 points. If the fourth point is also on the same circle, that means the 4 points are on the same circle. Hence we say that the 4 points are concyclic. Okay. For that, first we find the equation circle passes through any 3 points. So we let the 3 points be A, B, C. Already in our previous problem, we find the equation circle passes through 1, 2, 3, minus 4, 5, minus 6. What is it? X square plus y square minus 22x minus 4y plus 25 is equal to 0. But in our exam, we find this equation. Here, already we find in our previous problem. So we take that equation here. But in our examination, we find this equation. Not take as previous, last problem, fourth problem, like that. So here the equation circle, by using the previous problem, passes through the points 1, 2, 3, minus 4, c, minus 5, 6 is x square plus y square minus 22x minus 4y plus 25 is equal to 0. This is circle passes through the first 3 points. To show the given 4 points are concyclic, it is enough if we show that the fourth point is on the circle, this circle. For that, when we say a point is on the circle, yes, if S11 is equal to 0, we said that the point is on the circle. So here we want the fourth point D is on the circle. So for that D, what is D? 19, 8. For that D, 19, 8. Now we consider S11. We show the fourth point is on the circle. To show the point is on the circle, we show S11 is equal to 0. Does not take S11 is equal to 0. We show S11 is equal to 0. For that, consider S11 is equal to, S11 means put the point coordinates of x and y in the place of x comma y in the equation of the circle. So here x is equal to 19, y is equal to 8. 19 square plus 8 square minus 22 into 19 minus 4 into 8 plus 25. This is equal to 19 square 361, 8 square is 64, 12 into 90 is 418, 4 into 8 minus 32 plus 25. So adding the plus values are 450, negative values are minus 450. So 450 minus 450 is equal to 0. So we have S11 is equal to 0. Therefore, the fourth point must be on the circle S is equal to 0. What is S is equal to 0? That is the circle already passes through the 3 points. So the circle passes through 3 points, also passes through the point D. That means if ABs are on the circle, that fourth point is also on the same circle. That means the 4 points, by using this, the 4 points are on the same circle. Therefore, we say that the 4 points are concyclic. Okay. What is the circle? The circle is nothing, this circle is nothing but passes through 3 points. So equation circle passes 3 points is, this is the circle x square plus y square minus 22x minus 4y plus 25 is equal to 0. This is the important problem in IPE. But here we must find the equation circle first passes through the first 3 points. Okay. Now another one. This is also same problem. If 1, 2, 3 minus 4, 5 minus 6 and 1c are concyclic, in our previous problem, we show the 4 points are concyclic. We first find the equation of the circle passes through 3 points. We prove the fourth point is on the circle. To show the 4 points are concyclic, we show S11 is equal to 0. But here, the given 4 points are concyclic. They given in problem given 4 points are concyclic. Then find C. So you know the same, the equation of the circle passes through the first 3 points 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 minus 4, 5 minus 6 is x square plus y square, x square plus y square minus 20x minus 4y plus 25 is equal to 0. This is the circle passes through first 3 points. In our previous problem we find here. But in your exam you must find this equation. Does not take by previous problem. Okay. For our time being we take here by previous problem. But in your exam you must find the equation passes through these 3 points. Here, given that the 4 points are concyclic, when we say 4 points are concyclic, if the 4 points are lie on the same circle, like this, suppose this is the point, 1 point, this is another point, this is another point, this is another point. This is the circle passes through these 3 points. So, given that 4 points are concyclic, the fourth point is also on the circle. Okay, this is the fourth point on the circle. So you have S11 is equal to 0. Since the given 4 points are concyclic, the fourth point 1c lies on the circle. Therefore, that point S11 is equal to 0. S11 means put x comma y coordinates on the equation. S is equal to 0. That is, here x1 is 1, y1 is c. So 1 square plus c square minus 22 1 into 1 minus 4 into c plus 25. This is S11. That must be equal to 0 because the fourth point is on the circle. Simplify. C square minus 4c plus 4 is equal to 0. That is c minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. So c minus 2 whole square is equal to 0. So c minus 2 is equal to 0. C is equal to 2. Okay. This is also very important. These 3 problems are very important in our IPE for 7 marks. That is the 18th question. The first one is equation circle passes through 3 points. The second one is show that the 4 points are concyclic. The third one is if the 4 points are concyclic, find C. For these 3 problems, you find equation circle passes through first 3 points. Okay. For that problem, we have 3 methods. We discussed about 3 methods. There is another 2 methods also there. But in this situation, we don't know the concept of S plus lambda is equal to 0. After some concepts, we discuss about that methods also. Okay. Okay. So you practice these problems very well and get success in our IPE. Okay. Thank you one and all. Thank you.